Hi students, today we will discuss about organic chemistry. So organic chemistry means it deals with carbon compounds or organic compounds. So carbon compounds are organic compounds. Study of organic or carbon compounds is known as organic chemistry. So because classification of carbon compounds. Classification of carbon compounds. How to classify carbon compounds are organic compounds. Classification of organic compound also. So these organic compounds classified as two types. Based on what? Based on the structure. Based on the structure. Classification based on carbon chain. Carbon chain means it is a cyclic compound, normal compound like. So chain based on. So organic compound classified as two types. In that first one is acyclic or open chain compounds. Acyclic or open chain compounds. Acyclic or open chain compounds. Next one, cyclic or closed chain or ring chain or ring compounds. So here acyclic or open chain compounds are two types. That is acyclic or open chain compounds are classified as two types. One is saturated, second one is unsaturated. Saturated open chain compounds, unsaturated open chain compounds, like two types. Next, unsaturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated organic compounds are again two types. That is alkenes, alkenes. Second one is alkynes and their derivatives. So I will write here in these two types. First one alkenes. This one is alkene. This one is alkynes. So alkenes and their derivatives, alkynes and their derivatives comes under saturated hydrocarbon. Now unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now saturated means what? Alkanes, ALKANES, alkanes and their derivatives. So saturated means ANA, unsaturated means one is ENA, other one is YNA. Like will come formula of alkanes, formula of alkene and formula of alkyne I will say after. So this one now, cyclic closed chain or ring compounds are classified as two types. That is, one is homocyclic are carbocyclic compounds. Carbocyclic compounds. Homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds. Next one is heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds. So here heterocyclic, homocyclic means, homo means same atom, same carbon and hydrogen atoms, same carbon atoms. Heterocyclic compound means except carbon and hydrogen some other element. Homocyclic means a cycle forms with only carbon atoms, means that is homocyclic. Cyclic compound contains at least one heteroatom, one different atom, means that is heterocyclic compounds. So homo, hetero, understood our difference. Next, this heterocyclic compounds again two types, and homocyclic also two types. So that is discuss here. Homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds two types I said. First one is alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds. Second one is aromatic compounds. These aromatic compounds again classified into two types, that is benzenoid compounds and non-benzenoid. Benzenoid compound, and second one is non-benzenoid compounds. Some homocyclic compounds have again two types, alicyclic compounds, aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds two types, benzenoid, non-benzenoid. Next, heterocyclic compounds also two types. Heterocyclic compounds again two types, that is one is non-aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Second one is aromatic compounds. So here non-aromatic compounds and aromatic compounds means, aromatic means aromatic compound means like heterocyclic, one heteroatom also is there. So this is example for heteroatom, heterocyclic compound. First of all, hetero means here in these carbons is there in corners, but one extra nitrogen atom also is there, no? So this is hetero compound. One more example for hetero compound I will give, like sulfur is there. So here a carbon with forms cycle with any other at least one heteroatom, in that we will call heterocyclic compounds. So in this heterocyclic compounds, some is aromatic also is there, so that is aromatic compound. Some other is non-aromatic also is there. So aromatic heterocyclic example, this one will come sulfur, 4 carbon atoms and 1 sulfur atom, and nitrogen pyridine also, so double bonds is there. For sulfur also 2 double bonds. So this one we will call thiophene. This one we will call pyridine. This two comes under heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Heterocyclic non-aromatic compound. Heterocyclic non-aromatic means this one. This one example is, it is not a aromatic. What is aromatic? I will explain. So this one is non-aromatic, NH. So this one name is pyrrolidine. One hydrogen is there, N, this side one carbon, this side one carbon. This is pyrrolidine. This is non-aromatic. One more non-aromatic is there, oxygen is there in middle. This is tetrahydrofuran. Tetra means 4 carbon. Tetrahydrofuran, this name is. So these two non-aromatic compounds, tetrahydrofuran, this name. So these two non-aromatic, these two are aromatic. Why we will call aromatic? What is aromatic compound? First, aromatic compound have some properties is there, Amma. Next class will discuss.